Hello, we're going to talk about how to calculate the percent composition by mass of a compound. To do that, we're going to start by finding the molar mass of the compound. Once you have that, you can divide each element by the molar mass and turn it into percent. So for instance, let's say we have this question here. What is the percent composition of calcium nitrate by mass? What we'd like to do is start off by finding the molar mass of the compound. The compound's made from 3 different elements: calcium, nitrogen, and oxygen. There is 1 calcium, 2 nitrogens, and 6 oxygens in here. Remember that if you have a 2 outside parentheses, you're supposed to distribute in. We then multiply by the masses of each element found on the periodic table. Multiply them out and add the results. So the total molar mass for calcium nitrate is 164 grams. Then to find the mass for each of the elements, we just divide each of them by that molar mass. So this compound is about 24% calcium, 17% nitrogen, and a little shy of 60% oxygen. So find the molar mass of the compound, take the subscripts, multiply by the mass in the periodic table, and then add them all up to get the molar mass for the compound. Then divide each of the elements by the total molar mass to get their percentages. Let's do another example. Let's say that I'm going to find the percent of water in copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Well, hydrate is a compound that includes water inside, typically an ionic compound. This indicates right here that there are 5 waters for every 1 formula unit of calcium sulfate. So when we set up the problem, we do it the same way. However, since the question is asking for water, we're going to keep water together when we find the molar mass. Once again, try to find the molar mass of the compound: 1 copper, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygens in the ionic compound, and there are 5 waters. Multiply by the percentages on the periodic table. And then add the results. So the total compound here is 249.7 grams per mole. Now I could go through and divide all of these by that number. However, since the question only asks for water, I only need to divide water's row to get the percentage of water, which in this compound is 36%.